Okay, cool. So this is the Polrimeter. What we're going to do first, we're going to zero it out. Okay, there's nothing in there. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Come on. Perfect. Okay, here's our cell that we're going to put in there. So it's been cleaned by the person before me. If you're not sure, if you're doing this in research, you should clean it yourself. But I know the person before me did it. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take this syringe. There's no tip on it or anything. And I've made up my solution of my product. And I'm going to pull up 1/2 ml. Okay. And then I'm going to put it on this left side of the cell. All right. And I'm going to push that on through. Okay. What I've now done is the cell is conditioned so that there, any impurity in there is the stuff I'm going to put there anyway. All right, so I conditioned it. Now I'll actually put in 1 ml of the solution. I should have a beaker here, stabilizing that, yeah. All right, so I put that in. I'm going to push it, and it's going in the cell, out the drain, and into the beaker there. Okay. All right, and then I'm going to leave the syringe in there. I want to take off this little black nut right there. In order for it to turn, I have to hold this up. I'll tap, tap, tap. Okay, I'll hold this up. I'll lefty-loosey this off. Come on. Right? And then this could just hang there. Right? I'll open this up. My cell is going to go on those little rails right there. All right, and then I'm going to pick the cell up by these 2 nuts on top. I'll put it on those rails, syringe and all. I can close that. I'll press measure. Okay, and there's our reading. I want to make note of the sign. If there was a negative there, I would want to make sure that I write down that negative and everything like that. And that's my rotation. I'll pull this out by those 2 nuts again, not touching the sides of the cell. Okay, close that guy. I will reattach the drain. I gotta hold this up again. Turning. Beautiful. Goes like that. I'm going to take this guy off. Okay, that's rubbish. I'm now going to pull up 5 ml of air, and I'm going to push that through. That'll push my sample out. Okay. And then I will put in 1 ml of methanol to clean it out. And then I will get rid of that methanol with 5 ml of air. And now it's ready for the next person. Thanks.